Happy birthday, tatay! Happy birthday, tatay! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, tatay! Happy birthday, tatay! Tay, we pray for good health and long life, of course, because we really need you, and I'm keep on praying that God will give you good health all the time, and of course protection from everyday's life. Tay, we miss you so much here, especially the kids. I'm sure that they wanted to play with you again, and hoping that you can come home soon. We love you so much, Tatay, and God bless you always. 1, 2, 3, mwah!
Hi Tatay, happy birthday. I pray that you dwell in prosperity and happiness all the days of your life. Happy birthday Tatay, daghan kay salamat sa suporta namo ni Kay o sa imong apo. We love you so much, stay safe, and God bless you.
Hi, Uncle Bobot. I'm Vanya. I'm David. I'm Kayla. And I'd like to wish you a happy birthday from all of us in Wisconsin. We hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hello, Nongbot!
Happy birthday! God bless you!
Good day, mate. Greetings from Australia. Happy birthday, Bok. Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your celebration, and I'll just celebrate with you in spirit here in Australia. And I just pray that the Lord will always keep you safe and healthy, and that you will continue to be a blessing to everybody. Miss you, Bok, and the family out there. I just hope that I can visit you soon when this pandemic is over. And I hope you enjoy company with your family, with your apo, with your son-in-law, and relatives and friends. I just hope that God will continue to protect you and to provide you with your provisions, and above all, good health. So, how I wish to join with your celebration today, and I just pray and hope that God will always bless you and keep you healthy. So, miss ko na rin yung mga pagkain dyan. Padala na lang kay. Anyway, hope to see you soon. Bye. Cheers.
Ano Bot? Happy birthday! Ay, karos naman ka muli din sa Mindanao. Overstay ka na dyan sa Cagayan. Uli na kayo kuha na ta, outing na ta. At oy, Bot na, ano na ba ang Lake Cebu? No? Nadaot. Sige Bot, happy birthday! Uli na ha!
Birthday!
Ano yung ako mga kauban? Ano yung among processing? Ano ni among processing area? Ano na para makaanhipot mo? Awan sila kay. Okay, bye-bye!
Happy 65th birthday to you. So, nanghinaot ni nga anaa ka sa maayong kahimtang, nag-enjoy ka sa imong life, o kabalo ko na undang ang imong apostolic job, kay na naman ka sa Cavite karon. Salamat kayo sa tong pinagsamahan. You are a wonderful boss. Ikaw ang una namong boss sa pikit, sa opisina sa National Tobacco Administration. O kabalo ko, nga instrumental po ka sa among love story ni Paeng, di ba? Kamu may mga abogado ato ni Manong Ben. So, thank you for sharing your love to us. Kamu ni Ate Domi, then nagpuyo bet mi sa inyo nga sa una. Salamat kay sa imong kaayo. Hope nga many more birthdays to come. Mapadayon na nimo imong apostolic job. Again, happy birthday Kuya Bobot.
Yung birthday ni Bobot. O minsan sa kadugay na to, uban-uban abi na ko
napagyapon ka sa sayap to, pero karon paano mo ka sa layo dahil ka sa Luzon. Dapat kung mayo panginaot ako bot nga alipayon niya akong kadiha sama sa atong uban-uban sa unang panahon. Dahil kung happy birthday bot sa imong edad nga sa 75 magwala ka lang kung ilang kabulan. Inaot ko nga anta sa mas tabaw pag kinabuhi na to para manangin ako nga masakiton. Salamat ko diya po sa Ginoo nga tagatpatag lungguay sa itong kinabuhi. Happy birthday bot.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Hello po, good morning. Nung Bobot, happy birthday. Today is your grand day. This is your 65th, parang kailan lang. And you look so vibrant and alive and kicking. Thank God for the friendship and for the relationship we have established. I miss Nang Domi so much. I know you missed her so much too. But be strong. Andiyan ang mga apo mo na humahalili sa pagpapaligaya sa iyo. Today is your grand day and you must be thankful for that. For 65 years, God has been so good. God has been so faithful. Nung Bobot, di ko mag-wish. Akin is prayer. Kasi pag mag-wish ka, ang wish parang mababaw lang yun. Pero pag prayer, sigurado kang matutupad yun. If it's in line with God's will, then surely you will have it. So my prayer for you is to have a long life, good health always, protection after protection every day iba-iba ang makasalamuha mo. Pumupunta ka sa ibang lugar, but I know God is with you to protect you and to hold you. Thank you for the love, for the friendship, and even for the fellowship we have. Kabalo kong we missed each other. We haven't seen each other for quite some time. But we can connect in our prayers. As what I have told Kai 2 weeks ago, let's hold on in prayer. Let's hold together in prayer. Yan lang po ang may bigay ko for you on your birthday today. Salamat sa imong kaayo. Salamat sa sa Ginoo nagapabilin diha kanimo. I pray nung Bobot nga daghan pa ang imong makabot, especially bringing souls to the Lord. Wherever you go, may your life shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which is in heaven. Kabalo ko, you still have plans for your family, but God's plan is higher than your plans. Just commit everything to the Lord. Happy Father's Day, I forgot. So thank you nung Bobot. May you enjoy your day with your apos. Dagko na imong apo. I know they are making you happy every day with Kai. Thank you for your protection, Lord, sa inyong nga pamilya, Bornia, and the family of Kai. Nung Bobot, happy birthday and God bless you always. We missed you and soon we will see each other. Happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
Hello, Tatay Bobot. It's your day today. May you receive whatever you ask for, and may you find whatever you seek. May all the joy you have spread around come back to you 100-fold. On your 65th birthday, we wish you a beautiful life with good health and happiness forever. Happy birthday, Tay!
Happy birthday, Tay!
Birthday, sir! God bless!
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Uncle Bobot, Lolo Bobot.
But, Tita,
Happy birthday, Lolo Bobot.
you cannot
Happy
curse
birthday,
together.
Uncle Bobot.
You cannot
Cheers! Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.